Welcome back to everyone. In this video I will guide you how to fix Wi-Fi calling drains the battery on Motorola phones. Let's start the video if you want to fix this problem. So first of all, go to app library, click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down to and click on system and update. You will check your software update is latest. If it not, let us update your software latest. After update software, let us go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, open quick settings menu, so just swipe down and turn on flight mode and turn off flight mode. Turn on or turn off flight mode 1 to 3 times. After the process, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, go to app library, click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down to end, click on system reset option and click on reset all settings. Enter phone pin, click on this icon. You will see your problem is solved. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.